Hi, I'm Jenny Holland, CEO of MedView Services. If you're still completing your own medical malpractice intakes, this short video will put thousands of dollars in your pocket and hours back on your calendar.
MedView Services will reduce your lead conversion costs by 24%. Let's compare your way and the MedView way. We'll compare the cost of converting 100 phone and online inquiries into qualified merit cases. Let's look at the lead conversion steps your firm takes to get the cases you want. We include round-by-round cost estimates offered as real-world examples by some of our client firms. First, you gotta clear out the junk. In the initial call, your intake staff will do little more than capture the vaguest impression of case value. But getting rid of the irrational and questionable characters is a real and important part of the screening process. If your performance is average, this process will leave you with 69 leads. Next, the attorney will review the call notes. A few follow-up calls are likely made. This is another cursory screen and eliminates cases with high risk factors and low expected judgment value. If you do an average job, it leaves you with 30 possible cases to pursue. Because of local competition, firms feel that it's essential to tie up a potential new client quickly, even though their case may not move forward with the firm. Because of the time and administrative costs involved, meeting with and signing too many clients is a huge strain on productivity. Next, the forensic review of medical records. This is essential to any med-mal case. It illuminates how to build your case and refute anticipated assertions made by the defense. This process refines the list from 30 possible cases to 16 pursuable cases. The work is critical, but as a lead conversion round, it's among the most expensive. The most common mistake firms make is taking too many cases through this process unnecessarily. Filing suit, while not part of lead conversion, does add to the overall expense. Under the additional scrutiny of evidentiary discovery and testimony, now what looked like 16 pursuable cases is actually 11 cases. Okay, so if you're an average firm, you will spend about $34,000 to find 11 merit cases. But then you probably already know that. We're offering a better approach. We'll help you stop overspending on unwarranted forensic medical reviews and wasting the firm's resources on unmerited cases. Let's walk through the process. The initial round is very similar to your way. After setting up a follow-up call with the firm's nurse, which is actually a MedView intake nurse, the staffer is on to the next call, and the same 69 leads emerge. MedView Services allows you to amend your process so that actionable intel regarding case value is on your desk much more quickly. Instead of having the legal team review the caller notes and make follow-up calls, MedView, on behalf of your firm, contacts the claimant and conducts a pre-medical records interview. Through their investigation of the facts as explained by the claimant, MedView prepares and delivers a report directly to your inbox offering their findings in 3 critical areas. Was there a deviation in the standard of care? Are there damages? And is there a direct link between the deviation in the standard of care and the damages? The incredible part is that all this is delivered to you for as little as $38 per screen. This process reduces the leads from 69 to 24 possible cases to consider. Prior to signing all 24 of these cases, though, the legal team first screens for high trial risk factors and low expected judgment value. After just a fraction of the time allocated the old way, you end up with 18 pursuable cases that you really want. And the best part is, you've qualified these cases in about 72 hours. With a smaller volume of cases to go deeply into, your forensic review costs are significantly lower. In fact, MedView can offer even deeper savings. Use MedView's forensic services on cases we've identified for you and you'll get a 10% discount on our already competitive rates. As we know, a deeper look into the records often uncovers facts that cause some cases to be dropped. Now we're back at that familiar 16 merit cases. With the lawsuits filed and the same case attrition through discovery as before, we can compare costs. Because MedView delivers actionable intelligence so early, your firm is set free from much of the conversion process. You'll not only save 24% over the old way, but you'll also get back hours of productivity to work on the cases that matter. MedView's pre-medical records interview is a game changer. Try us. Mention this video and we'll waive the setup fee, so there is absolutely no risk. Ask for me by name and I'll give you 3 screens at no charge.
I'm Jenny Holland, and I look forward to helping you get the cases you want while saving you thousands of dollars in the process.